The presentation of the 2018 report of the International Narcotics Control Board (INCB) shows 14.3 million Nigerians are neck deep in drug abuse, ages between 15 to 64. According to the report, 1 out of every 4 drug abuser is a woman. It also reveals that 1 out of every 5 depends solely on drug abuse for survival. The mostly abused drugs are codeine, tramadol, and opioid. Speaking, the Director General NAFDAC, Professor Mojisola Adeyeye, says the figure is alarming, adding that it poses great threat to family, workforce, and national security.
What do we have here? We have increase. We have a lot of problem, and we're going to take care of the problem. This clearly indicates a real and serious threat to public health. It is a real and serious threat to the family. It is a real and serious threat to the workforce. It is a real and serious threat to the future of our country, Nigeria. The products of major concern include cannabis and the non-medical use of tramadol and codeine amongst the other prescriptions medicines.
The chairman, NDLEA, represented by the director, Narcotics, Femi Oloruntoba, says the agency requires 15,000 more personnel to effectively tackle supply of illicit drugs from laboratories to retailers.
These are laboratories that are as simple as your kitchen, and they are manufacturing drugs that are worse than cocaine and heroin. So that has actually, overheat the drug situation in Nigeria. That 15,000 men should be added to NDLEA. The approval was in 2016, but as I speak to you in 2019, not a single soul has been added.
UNODC representatives Folushola Adeyeye and Elizabeth Bayer, who made presentations, harp on the need for Nigeria to provide more access to treatment for drug abuse victims.
Women injecting drugs are more likely than men to engage in high-risk sexual behaviors, which increases the risk of HIV and other infections.
What we see, and this was also once again reflected and highlighted in one of the recent reports that we as UNODC launched at the end of January, is that it's no longer the case that it's just transiting. Nigeria has a big problem on drug abuse and drug addiction, and it has prevalence rates that are actually far beyond the global average.
High point of the event is the presentation of the report by stakeholders present. Joseph Kadiri, ITV News, Abuja.